guys, it's Shirley. Welcome back to Ermaka Family. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a back handspring. So I don't know how many steps there's, probably like 4 or 5 steps going into this. So let's get on with the video. So the first step is, if you can't do a back walkover, then this isn't the video for you, because you have to be able to do a back walkover to do this. And if you don't know how to do a back walkover, just look it up, and then once you get that, then you can come back here. So with this, you do a back walkover, and you have to be able to do that. And then once you have that, you can go like this, back there, like that. But don't split your legs, because that's not how you're going to do that handspring. Then once you get the hang of that, you can start going like this. And if you do it on grass like I'm doing it, this might hurt your ankles, so this is what I do. Because then you can have a softer land.
So like a step out?
Yes, a step out, a back handspring, step out, or just a regular back handspring. And this is how I taught my brother how to do it. So what you want to do is, like, I can't do it anymore because I'm like not used to it, but you want to go back and almost like bend your body and then like flip your legs over, and then you can start doing back handsprings. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope this helped you, and I will see you guys later. Bye.